Welcome to Rochelle Zone. I'm going to show you a few magic tricks with a balloon. First magic trick is you have to try to stick the balloon onto the wall. See this? It doesn't stick. Next, rub it on this blanket. Now let's try to stick it. Now it sticks to the wall. It looks like magic, but it's not. It's science. The reason why it's sticking is because of static electricity. Every object in the world has the same amount of negative and positive particles. Now if you rub it on the blanket has positive and negative. The balloon also has positive and negative. When you rub it, it takes more negative particles. When you keep it on the wall, it attracts the positive particles from the wall, and then it sticks. And now I'm going to show you one more magic with the soda can. So let's keep it this way, like it's sleeping. Let the can sleep while we rub the balloon on the, the blanket. Now let's roll it on this side. See, the can is rolling without you rolling it. You know why? Because the negative particles from the balloon and the positive particles from the can are attracting. That's why. Now, I'm gonna let my sister do another magic trick. What are we gonna name it? Oh, dancing paper. For that, you need a paper towel. We made some pieces. Now let's rub our balloon onto the blanket. Whoa, they're dancing. Whoa, 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 whoa. Dancing, 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 they're all dancing. This is happening because the negative particles of the balloon are attracting positive particles of the paper. All this was static energy. Hope you liked the experiment. Smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. Whenever you see that red subscribe button, hit it. Bye-bye. Hope you enjoy.